Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix missing filters on your TikTok app. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your TikTok filters are not working or showing up on your TikTok application, then here are some fixes you could try out. Your filters are usually available right after you tap on the plus button at the bottom, and after you open up your camera, go to the top right and you'll be able to see an option that says filters. You can select from multiple filters available on your TikTok app, but in case you are not being able to see all of the filters that should be available on your TikTok app, then the first thing you can do is to simply update your TikTok application to the latest version. Tap open your app store and go to the search box at the top and type in TikTok and perform your search by tapping the search button. If you see an open button right next to TikTok, it means you've already updated your application and you don't need to be doing that right now. If you see an update button, tap update and download the latest version of TikTok. Once you have the latest version, tap on open and now check if all of the filters are available on your TikTok app or not. If that still does not work, the next thing to do is to clear cache on your TikTok app. Tap open TikTok application and from the home page, tap the profile button at the bottom right. From your TikTok profile page, tap the hamburger menu at the top right hand corner. Tap settings and privacy from the bottom. Scroll down under cache and cellular data and tap on clear cache. This will be able to clear out your cache data from your TikTok application. After you've cleared the cache, force close the application and reopen it again. Tap the plus button at the bottom from the main home page. And now tap the filters option at the top right and see if your filters are available or not. If it still does not work, try deleting your TikTok app from your mobile device entirely by pressing hold TikTok app and tap on remove app. Confirm deleting application from your mobile device by tapping on delete app, and once your application has been deleted, reinstall it back again by going to your app store and searching for TikTok in the search bar. Download the TikTok application back again and see if that fixed your issue by opening up your TikTok. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever your filters are missing on your TikTok app. Hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.